Hey now, let's turn this faded Mercedes headlight from this faded hazy mess into this super awesome, super clean, ready to use headlight. So let's start. First thing first. We're gonna wash this headlight thoroughly, and as you can see as I clean it, honestly it looks better already. So it looks much better just with the light clean. So clean your headlights. This is just microfiber towel and soapy water. Next thing, we're gonna use 2000 grit sandpaper. It's just a little disc, and I'm gonna use this sanding block. It's not a block, it's round. I get it, I see it, but it's so handy for this kind of work. There's some soapy water, and I'll start on the bottom, just back and forth. There you go. So we're gonna continue to do this until hazy. As you can see, things that's coming off headlight is getting hazier. That is the goal, to make it look worse at first, if I can say. So I'm just doing this back and forth motion, and let's wipe it off now. And look at this, look at that gunk on there. Yeah, it's partially from sanding paper, but it's mostly gunk from the headlight itself. So let's give it a good wipe, and I will still continue with 2000 sandpaper. Now we're using 3000 grit sandpaper, and you can already tell the difference in the headlight. The only thing you see, those couple of black spots on the mid to right on the top, that's underneath the glass. I can't do anything about it without taking a headlight apart, which I do not want to do. So there you go, back and forth. I can already feel it, how smoother it is. One more time, 3000 grit sandpaper. Like, you'll get to the point where you don't hear sandpaper rubbing on the headlight. That means either sandpaper is gone or the nasty stuff is gone. So after this, I'll do some nice thorough cleaning, wipe off the lens clean, wash it as much as I can. And you can already see by adding moisture to a headlight how nicer it looks. Polishing time. So you see all these micro scratches. I could do a better job. I'm gonna use this polishing compound. I have no preference for that. start low. This is low setting on this machine. It goes to 7,000 RPM, so this is about 3,000, which is still kind of fast, but I can control it with the button. Looks better. Much better. But we can still see some scratches and it's not as clear as we want it to be. Alright, so we're gonna use some ultra finishing polish. And this is my favorite. I use it on my card. I have different 3-inch pad